So let's get into the shoe. So this right here, bro, is the OTW Half Vans, or the half cab reuse. So these are tough, bro, and a lot of people slept on these. And I'll tell you about how I copped them and everything too, because these are actually pretty dope. So yeah, look at that. Let you guys see both pairs. Do a quick 360 before we get into depth. And as you can see, there's no flaws on it too. So I did stand in line. It did get a little bit hectic. There was a lot of pushing. There was a lot of shoving. Definitely people stepped on my toes, and yeah, it's little to no. You could pass these as death stock, but let's get into it, man. These are, so my first thing about these, I just love how they're different, right? It's kind of like a mid-sized boot. So you can dress this up so many different ways. It's crazy. You can go some shorts and then like with a baggy tee and then maybe like a zip-up jacket and just have it like halfway open. I think that would be pretty dope. Or you could just rock it like some regular boots and just have like the baggy fit, like the baggy jeans that's covering it all. I think that would be dope too, because the best thing about this, and that's what caught my attention, was the half brown, and then and then it cuts in half with this green, the vibranium sole right here. So I think that's pretty dope. Again, you can get so many fits off with that, and I think that's what attracted me the most. So again, the upper, as you saw, was, it had the suede material. And again, it's some very quality suede, because again, as you saw, I did already wear these, and the suede hasn't been damaged. And I was around a crowd of maybe over 500 people, so that's pretty dope. And then it also has, the other detail is this like mesh type of toe box on the toe. Now I will say, my feet were very comfortable for the majority. I think it got until maybe hour 3, where my feet started to hurt, and I was getting to like complaining, like, bro, I want to go home. These are kind of hurting. But I mean, 3 hours for some boots, I feel like that's definitely reasonable. And again, it's the vibranium sole, so again, it's mixing the two, so it is a boot at the end of the day, right?